Lovelies, do you know you can use one type of content to hit 4 to 5 platforms and all you get monetized? Meaning, you can just film one type of content, a content of 12 minutes, 9 to 12 minutes. You make money on YouTube, you make money on TikTok, you make money on Facebook, you make money on Instagram. How do you do this? In today's video, I'm going to specifically show you how to earn money on Facebook. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that said we cannot hold a smartphone and we beg for bread. So today I was amazed when I received my expected amount of money for you or for Facebook. And guess what? This Facebook, I'm not using a different content from YouTube, from TikTok. I'm using the same content but different ratios. How am I earning on Facebook? Or how can you earn on Facebook? So let's remove eyes from me. Let's see. How do you think you can earn on Facebook? It's so amazing. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine. You guys, this is a mind-blowing video. I want you to settle. I want you to go and get your smartphone. I know you have Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, I want you to go and set up Facebook. If you don't know how to set up Facebook, put it in the comment section. I will come here with a full tutorial talking about how to start from the scratch, and we put up a Facebook page or a Facebook profile. But today, I'm going to show you, or we are going to be discussing how do I earn on Facebook page, because my Facebook profile has not been monetized yet. If you're watching right now, you should get your phone, head over to Facebook, type Immaculate Show. If you type Immaculate Show, you are going to get a Facebook page. So there's a Facebook profile, which is Christine Immaculate. But right now, let's talk about how to earn money on Facebook page. You guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not that lady that every morning you send messages, please, madam. Like today, I received a bunch of messages. You know, these people, we are poor, photos and what, we need help. I'm not the kind of lady that is giving out money. I'm a kind of a lady that is giving you information and knowledge and trying to change your mindset and tell you, hey, come on, guy, you have a smartphone. This smartphone, if you focus in 6 months, you are going to get money. You'll be starting to pay yourself on a monthly basis because you have a skill, you have what it takes. I'm not that lady that I'm a consultant. I'm a smart lady that I've been using social media platforms with my smartphone. So is you. And even other people are using it and are getting income on a monthly basis. That is who I am. Special thanks to my beautiful ladies. I can say beautiful ladies and gentlemen who are always on our post on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube. I love you so much. You know yourselves. I love you, and I'll continue loving you. You guys, let's grind on. How do you earn on Facebook? How do I earn? Like, you know, last month I earned more in photos than any other thing. So this is what we're going to talk about. You can earn in like different ways. These photos you take, any photo you take, provided you have a very good resolution. What you do, I want you to put a caption, because there is no photo that you take without an intention. There is no photo you take without. You guys, recently I took a glass with yogurt and fruits. I was going to have dinner. That was my dinner that I took that night. So that glass with fruits on top and some cereals, something like that, it fetched me money. I just put it on Facebook, and if you go to TikTok, you'll find it there. If you go to YouTube, you'll find it there in the community. So here we are, you guys. Don't waste your time. Are you a good photographer? Or you're not a good photographer, but you have a smartphone that takes photos? Make use of it. You're going to ask me, Christine, which photo should I take? You can take any photo provided is not nudity. Any photo, as long as it is respectable. You can take a photo of these glasses and put a caption. What do you think? If you put on these glasses, do I look smart? Yeah, I look smart. Do you think I can take a photo of this when I'm wearing these glasses? Then I change. I take another photo wearing these glasses and I'll put it on Facebook and I ask a question, or I'll compare, or I'll talk the features and benefits. I'll tell you why am I wearing this, or how do I look like when I'm wearing these ones on this view. So, and at the end, I can even take another photo when they are just pressed somewhere, like on a very cozy, like the way you can see on the screen, on a cozy background. And I put it on Facebook. It will fetch me money. Now, let's think about it. Why do you have the glasses? There should be a reason why you have these glasses. If you can take a photo of it, people are putting on glasses. I want you to go to ChatGPT, ask or Google Trends, why do people put on glasses? Different kind of glasses. And you are going to get the ideas of the caption. So you can earn money with photos. And now we have finished. You can take photos with anything. I have this perfume. It is very strong. This perfume, it is pinkish, so meaning it's for ladies. By the way, this perfume was a gift from a Nepali friend. That girl loves me. I take this photo. You are going to find it on Facebook, anywhere in my social media platforms, and I'll earn from this. That is the first way of earning on Facebook. The second way of earning on Facebook is by stories. You see these stories, you just go to your stories if you know Facebook. If you don't know where stories are, put it in the comment section. You go to stories, you post something that amazing, something that attracts. That one is very good. They will pay you through those stories. The third way, it is by videos. By the way, it would have come the first. The videos that you put 3 minutes and above, they will pay you, provided the ratios is okay and the aspect ratio is okay, you're facing in a camera, you're following terms and conditions of what they're telling you, they will pay you. Those are 4 ways now. The fifth one is by reels. What are reels? A reel can be, I recommend a reel to be like 25 seconds. Because 25, some people were putting 10 seconds, 1 second. But 25 seconds, they'll put the advert at the beginning and advert at the end. They have paid you now on reels. Come to think about it. Do you know they will go ahead and pay you on analytics that, like for example, you go and put a post, just a bare post. You don't have a photo on it, but just a post. Which post is it? Maybe you're analyzing something or you're educating people about something. All these ones, I'm earning from them. You can also earn from them. You don't need now to struggle. The only thing now we need is to be strategic. How do I want to earn this money? This hair of mine, I can take a photo. And it will give me some good dollars. What are you waiting for? Let's see other ways. There are other tools that you can earn through Facebook. You can earn money by getting stars. Stars are gifts that are just given to you. They can be pressed on your videos, on your reels, on your posts, or when you are live. There is also another way called partnership. The partnership. Partnership is when there are other companies that entrusts you over their products. Maybe you're talking about them or you're advertising them. Then, like the one I've talked about, this perfume, you find it is a partnership or membership. Membership is whereby you can get a specific content exclusive of those people, and you get members. You will be giving them some content which cannot be gotten by others. So, do you think you can kill one stone? All what I've told you, you can put it on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. Provided it is foreign content monetization and community monetization, you are going to get money. So let's go and earn from one type of content across all. social media.